In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add voiceovers to your Substack posts. Adding audio to your articles can really enhance your content, making it more engaging and accessible for your audience. So grab your microphone or your audio files and let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Substack website. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new post. You can find this by clicking on Create, which typically appears in the top right corner of your Substack dashboard or the home page. Clicking this will direct you to a new screen where you have different content options. Here, select Post to start creating your article. Now that you're ready to add content, you want to insert your audio. Look for the Insert Audio button, which is usually available in the toolbar as you're composing your post. When you find it, go ahead and click it. This will give you an option to add an audio element to your post. With the Insert Audio feature open, you'll see various options to include audio content. You'll want to click on VoiceOver, which allows you to add spoken content to your post. It's a great feature for podcasters, educators, or anyone who wants to provide a more dynamic reading experience. After selecting the voiceover option, you're ready to upload your audio file. At this point, you'll click on the area that says drop your audio file here or click to browse. If you're using a drag and drop method, simply locate your audio file on your computer and drag it to this area. Alternatively, you can click in this area to browse through your files and select the appropriate audio file to upload. With your file ready to go, give it a moment to upload. Depending on the size of the file, this might take a little time, so be patient. Once the upload is complete, you're almost done. Lastly, you'll want to finalize your edition by clicking Done. This is an essential step to ensure that the audio is saved correctly and will appear in your post. Before you publish, it's always a good idea to preview your post to make sure everything looks and sounds the way you expect. And there you have it. Your Substack post now not only engages through text, but also provides an auditory experience with your voiceover. This feature is especially useful for subscribers who enjoy listening while multitasking, or for those who prefer listening to reading. So the next time you're crafting a Substack post, consider adding a voiceover to amplify your message and connect with your audience in a new way. Thanks for watching and happy posting.